terrible. Hey guys, welcome back to Msevesbyu channel. This is Life with Eve, and this is like, it's been a while. It's been a while, and it's September now, and I thought I would record a video for you guys. I'm getting ready to take my daughter to her first day back to school, her senior year. And before I do, I wanted to tell you guys what this video was going to be about. This is like the last 90-day degree here in Michigan, and it's supposed to be like really extremely hot. But Dairy Queen has a pumpkin spice, and y'all know I love the fall season, and I usually get started in September. So this is going to be like the first video that I do for the fall season, and I'm going to go to Dairy Queen later on and go try their pumpkin spice. Why am I looking over there? I'm not even about to fix that. Anyway, I'm about to go to Dairy Queen and try their pumpkin spice flavored blizzard and see how that tastes. And I'm gonna try it with the other kids, and we're gonna let you know how that tastes. It's gonna be after. You wanna go, Kitty? Did you wanna go? Okay. Well, it'll be after the kids get out of school. Then she got out at 2:30. And I got a whole bunch of other errands to do. My arm hurt. I don't know how I'm be able to hold this. Somebody stole my what is that? What is that thing called? You know, the thing you hold your camera up with. That I had it stuck like to my windshield that I would usually, you know, be able to drive and talk to you guys. But last week when I was, not last week, but last month when I was staying at the the Hawthorne in Dearborn, somebody decided to go in my car, steal my radio, and steal, like, they stole my radio and the you know, the phone holder that I had hooked to my the mount. Hey, why did it take you all day to figure that out?
I couldn't get it either.
Anyway, they stole the mount that was in my car, and I'm really mad about that because that was a great mount. Like, I'm gonna go back and look because I think I did a review on it, and if not, I know the YouTuber that suggested it to me, and I'm gonna try to see if I can go back on Amazon, maybe look through my history and see if I can reorder that, because that was a great mount. It was a great mount.
Girl.
Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Okay, and we just ordered our pumpkin spice, and we're gonna sit at the table and wait on it. Couldn't find not one coupon, not one. Had 36 coupons. Kid here ain't got a coupon. Neither one of my lovely daughters bought their school IDs.
Who knew that they had that?
Gotta pay full price. I swear. Don't believe that. She's getting ready to be this. But don't try to make it seem like I ain't a good mother. I'm a great mother.
I don't start till Monday.
Anyway, be back in a minute. We're just waiting on our ice cream. Here come our blizzards, y'all.
Girl, you look more happy than everybody else.
Come on, lady.
Come on, the one I got for you.
Sorry about that. Here is the blizzards. Okay, y'all ready to taste them?
I got the one that I got.
Oh,
I want to get one.
you just grab one.
They melted. Go ahead, so.
This is how they talk to each other. This is how they talk. This is why I deal with y'all.
You should have got me a small
Okay,
size.
so take it, taste it. Just taste it and see what it's
Extra
like.
small.
It's here small.
It tastes like
Go take it for
a
everything.
pumpkin pie with
It tastes like a pumpkin.
Yeah, it tastes like pumpkin pie and it needs sugar in it. Yeah, it tastes like when we didn't make it.
But it got like a
It tastes
crust.
like batter.
It got like a crust in it. What you think, lady?
It tastes like an order.
Shut up.
What it taste like? Taste it. What it taste like?
Huh?
What it taste like? You don't like it? It don't taste good? Now, what it taste like? It tastes like what? It tastes like people? Oh, how do people taste?
She's sick.
How do people taste? It don't taste like pumpkin pie? It tastes like a pumpkin? Huh?
Your nails ugly.
No?
Like a finger.
It tastes like pumpkin or
that.
no? What do you taste, Caitlin? What it taste like? It tastes like pie? It tastes good to you or no? No. No? Is it a no for you, Q?
Huh?
It's no for you?
Why you have to record that part?
Is it no?
It's okay.
It's okay? It's okay. I think it... Of course you don't like the whipped cream.
The whipped cream on top, no. It tastes like dishwater. He thought I was gonna like it.
It does. It tastes like pumpkin pie without any sugar.
So you lucky your mom's watching.
Oh wow.
It tastes like baby food.
Well, I don't know.
But look, next time, Dairy Queen.
Yeah, Dairy Queen. You get a thumbs down from Msevesbyu and some of the 7 lucky angels here. Let me take a quick picture of this though. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, do that, Karen. Do that. Whatever. How you take a picture?
And you can screenshot it when you can screenshot the video later. Or the face you just made.
What do you think? Say go thumbs down. Go do like that. Go.
Now what if she like it while you over there trying to
She said she didn't like it. Do it get a thumbs up or thumbs down? A thumbs up? Okay. Hold on, let me get a picture. You gonna be my photo. Kathy, you gonna get a thumbs up? Let me take a picture. Put your thumb up. Kathy, look at the camera. Look at it. Smile. Okay, well, goodness, these kids is terrible. All I wanted was a short review on this, and they gave me hell trying to do it.
Girl, you didn't do nothing.
Yes, you did.
Eat your ice cream while you're trying to be
Anyway, okay. Everybody agrees that it's tastes plain. It doesn't taste good, really. So I mean, let it be y'all opinions. We don't like it, so we get a thumbs down for this one. Thank you for joining me on this review here on Life with Eve. I am Msevesbyu. Until next time. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe too. But until next time, I will catch you guys later. Bye.